So everybody talks about visibility in logistics and supply chain. So let's unpack, where does it come from? Think of a shipment that originates its journey in China at a manufacturing site. Some documents are attached to that shipment. Some documents are generated and sent out to destination parties. And now the shipment has to move from the manufacturing site to the port, then onto the vessel, and from there on to the destination country, the port, then the warehouse, then maybe to the retail store, and eventually to the customer destination. That's what visibility is. But what's really happening on the ground, because this is all about what happens in the field. Documents might be generated, but the receiving port must process that shipment, and they must do a scan. They need to reconcile with what was expected and what has to be moved, and it has to create another set of documentation that needs to go to the vessel. But at each and every hop, there is some scan that needs to take place to understand, okay, the shipment is received, who is it for, and where it has to go to the next hop. And more documents at times are generated. Sometimes this is just simple reconciliation. So every hop must log that data set. And as I mentioned, it's almost about 6 to 9 hops from A to Z kind of delivery. So this is the biggest dilemma right now we are facing in the industry, in the logistics and supply chain industry, that data is not enough. The data that is captured at every hop is not enough. So to truly solve this visibility problem, we really need to go to the grassroots level. We need to go to the field, we need to go to the floor to make sure that every hop, every touch of the shipment is captured digitally, to create that chain of custody, to make your workforce or facility very, very efficient, and raise this visibility for every stakeholders when the shipment is moved from A to Z.